Anushka.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. How's college?
College is so much fun. You did well, right? Time for both?
Yeah, the big hype. So, I'm so scared right now because of my whole board's preparation. Everyone keeps on scaring me. Parents, family, everyone.
You should not get so stressed out and take it on your head, You should just learn to love life as it comes and just be happy about everything.
I don't know. I'm still scared. I don't know if I can make it to a good college or not.
Give me your capabilities and all you have done in the past, and I'm sure you'll be able to get into reputed college, whether it's in India or abroad.
Yeah, I guess. Thank you so much. I feel so much better.
You should give positive assertions to yourself. Self-motivation is one of the most important things. You should tell yourself every day that I can do this and you'll be able to accomplish anything you want.
I guess you're right. But you know what the main problem is? The course is voluminous. Studies are unlimited. Time is limited and has alternate uses. Economic problem of choice.
Looks like you're applying economics to daily life as well. You know what you should do? You should allot time periods to the subject which is most important and just do time management. You should use the resource time fully and efficiently. I am just going to my IS coaching and not missing my dance classes, and I'm also pursuing the most important and sought after course, that is economic honors.
Wow, you're managing your time really well. What's the secret?
I read in the newspaper the other day that self-motivation and breathing exercise and all this really helps. Not only in the morning, but any time during the day you feel stressed, you can apply these methods and you will feel so relaxed.
That sounds great advice. Anyway, I feel like eating an ice cream right now. Gelato or Baskin Robbins?
I love gelato, to be honest. So we'll go there?
Sure. One consumer equilibrium at one bowl or two?
I think one big bowl is enough for both of us, or maybe two small bowls. The law of DMU starts operating.
Thank God it operates. Otherwise, my pockets would have been empty.
And this utility would have started.
Anyway, do you like Baskin Robbins?
I've heard about it, but I'm so used to going to gelatos, so I just go there.
The prices rose by 5%.
Yeah, I heard so.
But it didn't alter your quantity demanded. Is it perfectly inelastic?
Nah, it fell by 2%. My pocket money is surprising.
I think that your quantity demanded is inelastic in the short run, but I think it will become elastic in the long run.
And how is that possible?
Because Baskin Robbins is coming up with a lot of new flavors. There's this new one called Honey Nut Crunch. I think you'll love it.
It sounds so tasty, I must have.
And they slashed their prices by 10%, which makes it relatively cheaper.
I think maybe it's because their cost of production has gone down.
It has. That's because they've invested heavily in research and development, and new technology has increased their profit by 30%. So even though the prices have fallen, the supply has increased a lot, and they're expanding so much. They're opening new outlets in every nook and corner.
Gelato must be facing some pretty big competition right now.
Oh yeah.
Just looking at us talking like this, I think studying does not always have to be about mugging up.